Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very honored to participate once again to this World Knowledge Forum. And of course, I would have loved to be with you, but the current conditions does not allow it. I am Bernard Charlès, Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Dassault Systèmes, the 3D experience company. There is no stronger proof point that the world is challenged with the COVID-19 pandemic about having new access to knowledge and know-how. So the topic I want to share with you today is really about the industry renaissance and the impact of what we call virtual twin experience as a game changer to connect research, development, lab, clinical trial in the case of healthcare, to change the speed at which we can understand, discover, and provide new therapeutics in the world of life science and healthcare. As a matter of fact, most of the physical goods on the planet in the last 30 years have been virtually designed. It started with 3D design shaping complex shapes, then adopting the platform concept of digital mock-up, the twin of the physical mock-up. And there was before and after the Boeing 777, the first ever digitally designed airplane. And we added time, we called it 3D PLM, Product Lifecycle Management, to be able to create the virtual twin experience of an entire production system. There was a before and after the virtual twin experience of the Toyota production system. Can we imagine to apply those techniques, the virtual twin experience, to an entire human body, to a living organism? We think so. By the way, 100% of satellites and planes are designed and produced with the kind of platforms I just mentioned. 90% of the cars, and currently 60% of the clinical trial on vaccine are using the Dassault Systèmes Medidata platform. So let me share with you a few reasons to believe that creating the virtual twin experience of an entire human body is possible. From that standpoint, we are in some way in good shape. First, we created the Living Heart program, which basically is the virtual model of a human heart. It's today used in surgery rooms to plan and create new procedures to really solve extremely complex cases on human heart surgery at the Boston Children's Institute, for example, hospital, for example. We also are applying the same technique for brain, and we believe that this can go to the level of detail of evaluating the propagation of cancer in a human cell. Last November, we invested $6 billion to join force with Medidata, this world-best clinical platform, to really connect modeling and simulation, the core of what Dassault Systèmes has been doing for years, with the capacity to collect the data, what we call real-world evidence, and connect modeling and simulation with real data observation, including patient experience. This is why 60% of the clinical trial on vaccine for COVID-19 are really using that platform. We applied also the platform to create new low-cost affordable equipment for ventilators. We applied the simulation power at the one hospital to really do space segregation and avoid the propagation of the virus inside the hospital. Those kind of procedures are now being applied to many new hospitals around the world, even existing infrastructure. So moving from modeling, testing, and connecting to real-world evidence is really the triggering effect of an industry renaissance, applying what is happening right now for physical goods to life. We call it from things to life. So, ladies and gentlemen, I believe that the concept of experience goes far beyond the design of the product or the documentation of that product. It's about collecting knowledge and know-how, combining them, sharing the same possible virtual world so multidisciplinary specialists can understand each other, evaluate the options, and it becoming an inclusive collaborative platform that connects modeling, simulation, and real-world evidence together. That's what we call the 3D experience platform. Experience is the ultimate of knowledge. I love that sentence from Albert Einstein. We are applying it in our world. I believe that 3D experience is the ultimate of know-how. As you know, knowledge and know-how are both necessary to solve humanity challenges, no matter if it's about sustainability or healthcare. So I'm very pleased to share those ideas with you. There are strong reasons to believe that the world of experience, digital experience, virtual twin experience, is game changer in all sectors of the economy. It's a proven fact for what we call manufacturing. It's going to happen in the world of healthcare and life science. I continue to have strong hopes that science, with the possibilities of platforms, can open up new possibilities for a more sustainable world and improved quality of life for people and longer quality of life. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon.
The World Knowledge Forum